Peppy, did you have a good holiday? I sure did. Did you get some rest? Rest? Who rest? I played. What else did you do? Oh, we went to the playa and I played with my friends. It was great. Well, I'm glad you had a good time. But now we're back to school. We have about 9 more weeks, so now we have to really push it hard, okay? All right. Don't slack off, right? That's right. Okay. So everybody has to make sure they have their sumas down. This week we start our 8s. Some of you have passed. Some of you are still back at your 2s and 3s. Not good, okay? You need them. You need to learn them if you want to go to 2nd grade, okay? This is not a maybe, okay? You really, really, really need to work hard on them. Peppy, how about if you count by 5s today, please? 10s, and then do some of the things on the back wall, okay? Okay. Is everybody ready? Okay, everybody stand up, please. Let's get our brains moving after that break. Okay, everybody stand up and let's concentrate. Okay, here we go. Let's go with the 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, let's go backwards. 100, 95, 90, 85, 80, 75, 70, 65, 60, 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15, 10, and 5. Okay, let's count by 3s, please. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39. Okay, let's see. Let's start with Daria. Daria, how many inches are in a yard?
36. Let's see, a girl. Alexandra, how many feet in a yard? 3. Boy. Hazard, how many centimeters in a meter? 100. Girl, let's see. Steffi, how many ounces in a pound? 16. Boy, Andres, how many cups in a quart? 4. Girl, let's see. Daniela, how many quarts in a gallon? 4. Okay, is that good enough? That's great because we have lots to do today. Okay, now before break, before we get there, okay, let's see, we need page 269, page 270, please. Okay? 269, 270. Before break, we were working on these. We just started it on Friday, what we call carrying. Ooh, do you remember that? Well, let's see. The first problem says 76 plus 14. 76 plus 14, okay? Let me give us a little box up there. Okay, now, we have 76. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 76. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 76. And to that we want to add what? 14. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? 14, 10, okay? So we have our 2 piles. Now, first, we always start on this side, right? Okay, so we say 6 and 4 makes how many? 10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's what we have. But can we put 10 down here? Let's do this. Keep it straight. Can we put 10 down there? No, we cannot. Okay? We can only put one number there. So what do? Let's see. We take our 10 and we trade it 10 ones and we trade it for 110, right? Okay. So because we did that, we have to add another 10 up here, don't we? Because we have one more now, don't we? Now, do we have any plain ones? No, there's no ones left over. So we're going to put a 0 here. Then we add these. 1 and 7 makes 8 and 1 makes 9. Let's see. 10, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oops, let's check that again. Check it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, that didn't belong there. 7. There's our 7. And our 1. And the 1 left over is 9, right? So what's our answer? 90, right? Easy, you can do that, right? We can do it. Let's do the next one, okay? Let's do the next one. We have 52. And we have 38. Okay? Okay, so let's get, we have 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. How many ones do we have? 2. 1, 2. Okay, then we want 30. 1, 10, 20, 30, right? We have 3 of those. 38. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Okay, so what do? We added all these together, and what do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? Because 2 plus 8 is 10, okay? And what are we going to do? Change this over for a 10. Do we have any ones left over? No. So what do? We put our 0 here, and now we have a 10. We put that in the tens. Oops. We have put that in the tens column, right? Cool. Okay, so now what do we have? 1 plus 5 is 6, and 3 is 9. Let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. There's our 90. Okay? 90. Boom, easy. Let's do the next one, okay? Next one. This time we have 85 plus 6. 85 plus 6, okay? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 80, 85. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now, what do? We're going to add 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 5 plus 6 is what? It's 11, isn't it? So what are we going to do? We're going to take 10 of these. Take 10 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put that one over here. That's it. Take these 10. Trade it in for a 10, right? Okay. So now because that's a 10, what do? We have one more 10, don't we? So we put it up in this column, right? Cool. Okay, now, how many ones do we have left over? We only have 1, don't we? Because we took 10 of them away. Okay, now, what do we have? 1 plus 8 is 9, right? Easy. Easy, right? Here's our 1, Here's our 8. 1 plus 8 is 9. Let's do the next one. 74 plus 7. $74 plus 7, okay? Okay, so what do we have? 70. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 70. 70, 74. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I want to add 7 to that, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? What's 4 and 7? Who knows? 11. That's right. It's 11. So what do? We take out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one left over, isn't there? Set him over there. Take these 10 and trade it in for 10, right? So now what do we have? We have one more 10, don't we? We have one more 10 over here, right? Another 10. Okay? Cool. So now, 7 and 4, how many ones do we have left over? Only one. But now how many 10s do we have? We have the 7 plus one extra one is 81. Cool, huh? Okay. Last one, okay? Last one's a little bit harder, but not really. Not really. Okay. The last one is 45. And 27. Okay? Okay, so 45. 10, 20, 30, 40. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45. Okay, and then we have 27. Excuse me. 1, 2, and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Who knows what 5 plus 7 is? 5 plus 7 is what? What is it, Joshua? 5 plus 7? 12. Good. So what do we need to do? Take out, we can't put 12 here, so we have to take 10 out, right? Take 10 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take that 10. 10, right? 10, 12, right? 12, right? So what do we do with this 10? We put him up top. Put him up top. 5 and 5 and 7 is 12, right? Boop. But we have 2 left. 2 left. 1 and 4 is 5, 6, 7. 72 is our answer, okay? Now we did it with money. This time we're not going to do it with money. Okay? We're going to do some that aren't on your paper. Let's see how we do. Let's do 56 plus 26. Okay? Okay, 6 and 6 is what? Nylea, what's 6 plus 6? It's 12, isn't it? 12. 12 is the same as what? 1, 10, and 2. Is that 12? So what do? We put the 2 here. We put the 1 up there. That's not hard, is it? Okay. 1 and 5 is 6. 7, 8. Our answer is 82. Cool, huh? Let's do another one. 28 plus 25. Okay. Who can tell me 5 plus 8 is what? 5 plus 8 is Andres. What's 5 plus 8? 13, right? 13 looks like this. 13. We put the 3 down here. We put the 1 up there, right? Because it's the same as 110. These are 1s. These are 10s, right? Right? Okay, so we have 110, 3 1s. Put the 1 up there. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 and 2 is 5. 28 and 25 is 53. Let's do one more. Let's see. How about 44 and 39. Okay, we're going to add them together. Evan, 4 and 9 is what? 13. What number do you put down here, Evan? You put the 3 up here. 3 down here. We put the 1 up there, right? Put the 1 up there. 1 and 4 is 5 and 3 is 8. That's kind of fun, isn't it? I think that's fun, right? Okay, this is big kid math. See, you're in first grade now. See, now, I've been telling you, you have to learn your summas for second grade. This is why. Because you're going to be working with big numbers and you don't have time to count on your fingers. If you have not learned your summas yet, you must, because we're going to be doing big numbers like this starting in second grade at the beginning, okay? So, get it down, right? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Here we go. Down below, we have on our paper, right here, what do we have? We have birds. The first bird is a robin. Where I live in the United States, we have these everywhere, and they have a very pretty song. Now, what do you do when you see these? It says, use the graph to answer the questions your teacher asked you. Okay, so before we get to that, here we go, look. We count, what are we going to count by? 3s, aren't we? These are not 1, 2, 3. So, what do? The robin, you go down, and how many is that? Okay, for the woodpecker, you always go to the end of the line and go to the bottom, okay? So, first question. What is the biggest bird? What is the biggest bird? Okay? Number 2. What bird is the smallest bird? Okay? Number 3. What bird is 18 inches long? We have these here on the island. What bird is 18 inches long? Well, I'm not going to tell you which one it is. 18 inches long is number 3. Okay? Number 4. Okay, on number 4, you see there's 2 here. There's only 2 answers, then it says NH. The answer is not there. Same with this one here. So if I ask you a question, you say, that one's not there, that's what you put, okay? Number D, which bird is smaller than the hawk, but bigger than the woodpecker? Bigger than the woodpecker, smaller than the hawk. Bigger than the woodpecker, smaller than the hawk. Okay, and E. Which bird is 27 inches long? Which one is 27 inches long? You got that? Cool. Okay? so let's see. First one. Which bird is the biggest bird? That's so easy. Which one's the biggest bird? Who's the biggest? The hawk is the biggest, isn't it? The second one. Which one is the smallest? The smallest one is the robin, isn't it? Okay, number C. C was, which one is 18 inches long? So we go to 18. Oh, yeah. The woodpecker. Have you guys seen woodpeckers? I saw 2 of them during church yesterday. I was sitting in the church service and I just happened to look over and there was 2 woodpeckers in the tree. Woodpeckers. D. Number 4. Number D. Which one is bigger than the woodpecker but smaller than the hawk? That's the roadrunner. I saw one of them one time. We were driving out in western United States, and there it went running across the road. You see them on cartoons, right? Coyote and the Roadrunner. I saw one. So cool. Okay, and then the last one was, which one is 27 inches long? So you go to 27. What is it? It's the hawk, okay? This side here. Here's your coins. You ready? This one is 25, 25 on the top. The ones on the bottom are each 5, okay? You can add them here. It says circle, 1 dozen balls. How many are in a dozen? Down here, fill in the missing numbers. You can do that. Right here, the last at the bottom. Write the number before and after by 5s. 5, 10, 15. Count by 5s, okay? You got that? All right, if you have questions, just back up the video. See you later.